let's open them up. So it's been a while since we have touched the Z or touched the Merc and actually worked on it, right? It's been a hot second. We finally got the side skirts in after 5-6 months of them being made and shipped out, and yeah, we finally have it. So there's only a few things that I do want to still do to the Z cosmetically. Side skirts was one of the biggest things, and also hood or fender. One of those two. I don't want to do both because that's just going to overkill the car. Still trying to decide if I want to go fenders or new hood. Put it down in the comments below what you think I should go. I've decided what type of fenders and what hood I want to go, but it's just depending on what I feel like to go with. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, okay. I'm going to take off these side skirts here and then we'll bring out the new side skirts and we'll have a look at them. I haven't opened them, I don't know what they look like. I've only seen photos. And there we have the old side skirt laying on the floor. I think it's time to take the new side skirts out and have a look at them and see what I got. Hopefully they fit well. Hopefully there's already marks on them so I know where to drill holes and stuff like that. So hyped about it. I haven't worked on this. Now something's going to change dramatically and I'm all for it. So yeah, click that like and subscribe button down below because it's going to be wild. I haven't looked at it. See how big this is. This thing's huge. Let's open them up. Woo! Interesting. I need to drill a lot of holes. So these actually don't look too bad. They smell. I don't know what they smell. They smell like glue. They smell weird. Have to drill the holes underneath, the holes on the side, and these tabs inside, the clips to go into the door. Still kind of 50-50 on them. Okay, you lovely people. So, I almost dropped it. So, I've got a quick announcement that I need to make. We have partnered up with Nifty City. Yes, Hustle Garage has partnered up with Nifty City, bringing you Android Auto and CarPlay infotainment system into your car, into so many cars. I've got one in my 370z. I've got a Tesla screen, 13.6 inch of goodness. I was tired of my old infotainment system. It was so old, so glitchy, so I had to have one of these. So why not elevate that driving experience with Nifty City, CarPlay, Android Auto, Tesla screens. They've got integration into your OEM system. Everything's plug and play, everything's so easy to install, an hour and a half, and you can change your whole experience while you drive. And they have options for so many cars. So head over to the website, click the link in the description down below and check out what they have in store for your car today. Now, let's get back to the video. What do you guys think? Oh, I don't know. I don't know if I'm a fan. What do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below, please, because your boy needs your help. This might just be a video with no satisfying ending. The one thing that I was iffy about was with how it changes the levels of the front bumper to the side skirt. The rear bumper is way higher than the side skirt, but I am going to get a rear diffuser, so that should lower the rear bumper a lot. But the front, even if I put a splitter on, it will kind of even it out, but it will still look a lot higher than side skirt. Yeah, that's the thing with me and body lines, like everything has to kind of be on the same level or like even. If not, it just looks whack and it just looks out of place to me. Let's have a look at this fitment and see what we need to do to actually fit this on. I was expecting it to need some work anyway, so that's what happens when you buy fiberglass. body parts. Always needs work, always needs work. The front bit fits perfectly, right? Well, it fits pretty damn well. It only needs like a tiny bit of adjustment, which I think I will be able to get once I adjust this part here. This part here is the biggest part that we need to adjust, because this part here, oh no, I ripped the wrap. This part here is the part we need to adjust the most. Look at that. And so this is as far up as the side skirt can go, because this part here is already maxed out. So what I'm thinking is trim a little bit down here, just sand bit by bit, so this can be flush with that, and also this bit will be flush as well. I also want to cut out this little bit here, which is for airflow. Yeah, so I want a open vent here. I'm still pretty clueless when it comes to bodywork, but it's how you learn. Make mistakes and you learn. I've kind of marked out where and how much I need to sand, so I need to go from about here all the way to the end, probably a 5mm as well. Yeah, that should be good, and then just taper it off towards the end here. But that should be a good start, and we should see some progress with that. So hopefully at the end we can be happy. Wow, that's terrifying. Big shout out to D for lending me this, because I don't have one. I want to see how to use it. Hopefully I don't die. I've never used one of these before, so. Okay, so first things first, let's get some safety on. Let's try not die from trying to fit fiberglass side skirts. Okay, this is the only safety thing that I have that can cover my face and my eyes. I have a feeling we need to do a bit more work to fill the gap, but should be a good starting point. Hey, yo, I think I did it. No way. Oh, brother. Bro, that is perfect. Oh my God. Yo, that is perfect. I notched off all the tabs for the plastic pins. There's only like 2 or 3 that actually line up, which is, I mean, it is what it is. It'll all still be secured by the bolts underneath. So yeah, side skirts aren't coming off. Speaking of tabs, these 2 at the front don't line up at all. That tab there, that's in place, misses it by a good like 10mm. The same on this tab here. The only tabs that fit is this, and that one in the corner right there. This one here misses. This one here also misses. This one here at the back, very back, hits and it fits. I just don't have the right plug for this, so ideally I want this one, the second last one to the back, to fit, but that's a tab right there and that's a hole. So I needed this tab a bit more back, but we'll have these 2 secured, everything underneath secured, the screw at the front secured, and 2 screws at the back secured, so it will be structurally good and it won't rip off. I really need this tab here so it can get pushed down like that, and then I also have to drill these holes on the side and on the front as well. And then this side skirt should be good to go. And I'll bolt everything on, secure everything. Even just having a look at it now in like kind of good-ish lighting, like it's so aggressive. Alright, so on a side note, I'm going to cut this off and then move this into this spot here. That's literally how small it's off, like just off. I was not planning on working with fiberglass today, but I guess I'm gonna have to. Also, big shout out to Matt, because yeah, he's been helping me a lot with bodywork questions and everything like that, so big shout out to you, man. Alright, so it's done. It's not the prettiest, but it'll do. I've moved it from here to here, so hopefully it will fit now and it should be good. I don't have any of these clips. I don't know where all of mine have gone, so I won't be able to actually mount this. So in saying that, I am going to put this side on and secure it properly. Look at that. That's the hole right there. Look at that. Perfectly in line. Let's go. Look at that. Okay, back to the install. Let's get this in. I forgot to update you guys, but I am cutting the vents. Well, vent. This is the progress right now. I'm just trying to make it square. Yeah, it's kind of hard. I should really take the side skirts off when I'm sanding. But yeah, that's the progress right now. I do want to put some mesh behind it. Alright, I need to finish off this vent and keep sanding and filing and keep breathing in more fiberglass. It's on. We're done. The side skirts are on the car. Oh my gosh, far out. It's crazy. I was not expecting to do this amount of bodywork just for side skirts. Crazy. One side is done. Now we have to head on to the other side. I won't bore you guys with that. I'm just going to smash that out off camera and you'll see the final product with wrap and everything on the car fitted nicely when I get the new clips and stuff. Don't worry, it will come. I will show you guys what the car looks like wrapped with the new side skirts. But in the meantime, I'll show you guys what the car looks like now. I've changed my mind. I'm keeping these. I'm keeping these. Even though I haven't seen it wrapped, I am keeping these. So before I show you guys how the car sits now, please do us a favor and click that like and subscribe button down below and tell me what you think of these side skirts. Let me know in the comments below. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, peace, love you guys. Love ya, bye.